Hey there, I'm Mr. Know-It-All, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. You heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this full cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of falling wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it. And it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis. It's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence in trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this full cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
All right, everybody. I'm on ad hoc here for this live trade here on Livepeer Token. As you know, yesterday we took a massive trade here. I call this massive breakout. And we're in a setup again. We can see the volume is receding here. Tether is about to break down. So we have that going our direction here. And yep, we're just going to sit patiently in this trade. We can see on the hourly here that the stochastics are at the bottom on the hourly. And the 30-minute is poised up here. And so we could be, chilling in this trade for a little bit. The 15 minutes also pointing up. I think we're going to see a nice movement up in the next, hour, maybe two. So we're going to talk you guys through this trade setup, and hopefully you guys enjoy the ride with me here. Let me get some tunes on. All right, so we're watching Tether. The 15-minute looks like it's trying to backtest this bear flag that it just broke down on. It is holding this major channel line here for now. Like I said, this trade could take a little bit of time to play out. But it's very important that we pay attention to what Tether is doing. All right, so it does look like maybe Tether is trying to move a bit upright this very moment. You can see the 1 minute Stokes topped out. I know that doesn't really mean much, but if we go to the 15-minute, well, the 15 minutes down here, it's trying to maybe get a reset, but the longer time scales are still pointing down. The hourly is also crossing down, rejecting the median here. And the 4 hour, as you know, well, the 4 hour actually got a full reset, but yeah, all right. So, but this is not an area where you want to be, holding Tether, right? This is an area where you want to be selling Tether. And our daily on Tether is also about to cross down, the 12-hour about to cross down. After white candles on Tether or on any asset, you usually get a movement back down. Now, like I said, this could take some time to play. I would say that this is more along the lines of what it's doing right now. What's going on, Integrity? What's going on, Toe? Yeah, we're about to get a 30-minute cross up here on it. Volumes receding. So this could take, I'm thinking this takes at least an hour. Right, because our shorter time scales on Tether are pointing up right now. So we could be able to get a DCA or something here. Man, this TradingView application is really slowing my computer down big time. So Tether coming up to the trend line. Let's see if we can get a reversal here, or a rejection, I should say. Looking good. Just made a higher low on the smaller time scale here. You can see the accumulation happening here, building. We're building momentum here on this asset for a move again. And the reason why I know a move is coming, again, is because the volume is completely receded on this asset. Looking good. I say that this is looking good. And we all know Bitcoin on the daily chart is so wrecked. Like, it's so oversold, man. Like it's sitting at a 20 on the RSI, okay? Things are going to go up right now, not down. And it's basically straight up, straight down, right? So we could have almost the same target as we did last trade if you guys took the trade with me. And the trade would be up to about that 717 area. I know last night I exited the trade at the 672 region. We had one more leg, but you know what? It's really a good thing to sell into strength, guys, because like what happens if it didn't break here and it just rejected this and came back down to back test, right? You would have been stuck in this trade and not being able to exit, right? So, but now that we know that it's straight up and straight down, we know that this next push that we get, it's going to try to push up to this region here, and we're just waiting on Tether getting rejected here. Can you go over WLD? Sure, let's take a look at it. Is that a US stock? It's a crypto. Well, the short time scale looks good. Yeah, I mean, this looks great. You see how it's showing accumulation. You have this low, and you have this bottoming formation here. This looks great. And you can clearly see you have this trend line right here. Right? And if you break that trend line, man, from the data that we do have, clearly we're respecting the 236 fib extension. And your next real level of resistance here is this level here. Okay, this 166 region. And more short on the time scales, I would say, you know, the top of the range that you touched and pulled back from, right? So 160 to 166 is your range target on this movement back up. And if you end up getting above the 236, this 155 region, there's no reason why you don't go to test the 38.2% retracement. Oh, this is WorldCoin, dude. Don't trade this crap, man. Don't support this crap, I should say. You can trade it. Do whatever you want. All right, so technically, right now, Livepeer Token is above the trend line. Okay, we touched above it earlier, and we came back down to retest, made a higher low, and we're just paying attention to Tether here, right? So if Tether starts to break down, which it should, this is a bear flag, right? The Tether bear flag is here. This is alive, and we're looking for Tether to go down to this 8% region. That is probably where we want to close our short-term trades, because that is a support, okay? And we have a couple levels of support to look at. So we have a support here. Like we got this little bounce, and now we're just getting like a dead cat bounce here. Here we go. Tether dropping. Number should go up, boys. Here we go on the breakout, guys. This is incoming right now. We're going to get a push right now. 15-minute coiling up. Beautiful looking chart right now, guys. This is beautiful. 30-minute, you can see down here in the neutral territory, lots of room to push. This is going to be fun. You guys ready for a fun stream tonight? So yeah, we're battling this trend line right here, but I think we're going to break it, especially if we're getting confirmation of, look at the breakdown on Tether, man. This is great news. All right, we're sitting right here on a short-term support. So 645 region is the first area we got to break above, and then we have a high volume node here at 657. But you guys know when this thing starts getting volume, what's going to happen, okay? We're literally completely receded here. This is about to be another major move on this asset. Beautiful looking structure, guys. This is looking great. Sheep, what's up, dude? So right now we're on the 30-minute candle. We're printing what looks to be a hammer candle down here, a reversal candle. A 15-minute already printed a hammer candle. So you guys already know what to expect. Here we go. We're going to nail it again tonight, homie. You guys are liking the stream. You guys know what to do. Smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button. All of you guys, I'm sure, are subscribed. We got 9 people on tonight. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this live trading session. We're already in a profit on the trade. This is great. This is about to be a fun next couple hours here. We're already up 140 bucks, boys. Let's go. Send it. This thing hasn't even done anything yet. Look at this nasty rejection candle here on the 15-minute on Tether. This is beautiful. This is exactly what we want to see right now. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys join the Discord. It's free to join. Check it out. Tell your friends. Help us grow. I got in earlier today, or just before actually, around 6:34. Basically right here during this consolidation right here, right before the major move is about to set on. We are technically broken out of this trend line right here. We are rounding what looks to be some sort of cup type of structure, okay, after a wedge breakout and a back test. This is textbook stuff right here, guys. Who's ready for a nice pump? Look at this thing getting nasty. This thing is about to get wrecked. Beautiful. The squeeze is real too, right? We got a 30-minute squeeze breaking north. We can see right now we're printing this yellow dot right here, which means another major squeeze break is incoming. Our 30-minute stochastics are poised for upside here. Let's go. Just got to break above this level right here, the 645 to 650 range. Once we do that, it's straight up to 672. Game face is on for the breakout. Come on, guys, let's blow this chat up. Let's get YouTube algorithm going right now. Dodo coin? Hell yeah, dude. That thing's gonna moon, bro. Look at that breakout and back test. You can't make this shit up, dude. That is perfect. That is perfect, 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 man. Wow, what a structure on Dodo coin too, man. Yeah, this thing's about to send, dude. What's the first take profit? I would say if you're on really high leverage and you're really just chilling on a lot, you know, you got your first resistance level here at 644, but I think we're going to blow through that, right? There's not a lot of volume right here, so I think we do push. 652, I think, is the first. I mean, you'll see, man. We're gonna if we're loading up like we did here, man, we're gonna really make a big push. I'm targeting 672 again, okay? That's gonna be my target because I'm gonna be up a bunch if it gets up there, and I'm fine with that. I don't need to time the exact top on the push. But here we go, guys. Here we go. Alert just triggered 6393. That's the area for break. It's incoming. Look at the 30-minute candle right now. That is a hammer candle, okay? She's pushing on the spot price. We're watching the spot price too, okay? We are out. We are in a breakout right now. You guys see this? Why am I too good for them? Well, stop that, man. That's fucked up. Why would you say that? I wouldn't be here today if STP didn't exist because I taught myself everything I know while building this company with STP, man. So please, that's an inappropriate comment, man. I don't appreciate that. We're lit, dude. We're already lit. 634 entry. This is going to be another amazing evening for us, folks. We're up $200 on the trade setup right now, and this thing hasn't even really broke out yet. All right, so Tether is holding this for right now. We could see a little pushback here before ignition. So if you aren't in the trade yet, and we get a little pushback here, this could be not a bad place to do it, okay? Oh man, this thing is too strong. This thing doesn't even care. It's just gonna fucking rip, dude. Watch the volume, okay? Watch this volume, okay, down here. This is important on this push. What's up, Jack? What's going on, dude? Yeah, so this resistance right here is what we're looking to break. On the 30-minute, you can see, that 651 region. Again, guys, this is gonna need to practice and exercise some patience here, all right? And if this trade doesn't work out, guys, we can set our stop right below this level right here, okay? So 630, I would set your stops at, okay? You guys are in this trade with me. Make a tight stop, because if we do reject, we're going to come further down, all right? But I'm pretty confident that this is going to play out pretty good. Sit back, relax, and watch the breakout, boys. All right, spot is now breaking above 30-minute resistance. I'm not involved with bot gains, man. All right, clear 30-minute candle, break above resistance here. And now Tether, once she breaks this, dude, she is below support, okay? She is below support and breaking down. This is when we get ignition on this movement, all right? You guys ready? The 30-minute candle printed a hammer candle for continuation to the upside. Now we just sit back, relax, and watch the show. This asset is above all moving averages, so we know the asset's in an uptrend on the shorter time scales here. Let's go, Jack. Great job, man. Great job on the execution. We've actually beat the buy signal on the STP signals on the 30-minute chart. The 15-minute, it will actually fire probably above this line right here, and that'll be our breakout area. Just like we had this thing called this break right here. This was a beautiful entry we gave right here last night around that $6.30 region. This was a massive pump, man. 18% move, man. That was a big move. If you were on any sort of leverage on that trade, you were printing cash last night. All right, so Tether trying to reclaim this area. We know that that's just noise though, because our H8 candles are red. Okay. Yep, the shorter time scale is printed buy signals. Yep, I'm aware of that. I believe the 5-minute also printed a long signal. Yeah, there it is. But you see how the asset did this, like just, and then starting to push up here. So this is the beginning of a move, all right? Like I said, this could take some time to play out. Our hourly stochastics are at the bottom, okay? Understand what that means. Thank you so much, Johnny Boy. I appreciate that, brother. Big volume break is coming, guys. I'm telling you, this thing is going to go. Look at the volume that's receded here. This thing is setting up for a major movement, okay? How's Elephant doing? Is that thing ripping? Nice. I'm still in the Elephant trade with you guys there. I believe in it. PT does good work. Nice. Yeah, Elephant's in a massive breakout. Drip about to hit zero, man. I hope not, dude. That sucks. It's basically already at zero. Isn't it 4 cents or some shit? Yeah, 4.6 cents on drip. So we're above the high volume node area. That's why this thing pushes just above 644. And man, there's no volume here. It can literally just send, right? It can literally just send. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bitcoin is very, very oversold on the daily chart, man. I think, yeah, 27.8K retest the daily 200-day moving average is imminent, right? We're going to retest here. And we do that. A lot of these altcoins are going to push real hard. There's a 644, guys. Here we go. I'm trading on MEXC. It's trading. Here we go, guys. This is the break. We just printed a 10-minute long signal. This thing's about to do it. The thing's about to send. 645 on spot. Here we go. I see. 646. That should move the needle on the futures. Well, the 648 region needs to be broken, I think. But yeah. We printed 646 so far. I'm expecting, look at the volume. See how it's starting to come in here? See the volume increasing? It's slow and methodical, but it's gonna come in. Traders are gonna see that. There it is. The 10-minute long signal has been confirmed. This is a pretty good signal before major movements on price. Well, it hasn't been confirmed yet. It'll confirm in 2 minutes and 40 seconds. We're up $214 right now, and we haven't even got a breakout. This can be lit. T-minus 2 minutes before liftoff, folks. There is no resistance above this level on the 10-minute chart. We have a line here at 648 that we might, pause at before breaking. And again, it's really depending on the volume coming in, okay? Futures market just started going. All right, this is it. We're going to get the push now. Uh-oh. Our signal disappeared. Our ADX crossed up though. And our momentum is about to swing up, so I'm not really worried at all, actually. Got to push above this area right here, man. Tether is holding this region right now. For now. I'm on like 10x leverage right now. My entry is 634.4. All right, so far we've just rejected. No, we didn't really get enough volume to push it. We're in a 30-minute squeeze. I mean, dude, we got a 15-minute, a 30-minute squeeze. We got an hourly squeeze. Our hourly is still short. We'll see if we actually get a break. I'm still pretty confident that we're going to see at least a little pop on it. I mean, we're out. Three hours long. Awesome, man. That's great. I appreciate that. And if you sign up for the alert service, you also get the squeeze indicator included. All right. All right. Well, this is a big area here for Tether. We're getting a bit of pushback here. Shorter time scale is short on the 1 minute because we did get another rejection here. Still liking the MACD right now on the 15-minute. 30-minute cross bullish, ADX crossed bullish. Like I said, make sure you guys have stops in place, okay? In case we don't get a move. Yeah, we're printing a 5-minute short. I don't know, man. That hourly looks pretty good to me. What do you guys think? You guys think we're going to break out? I want to hear in the comments what you guys think. We had 5 people drop off already. Wow, that sucks. This looks like rounding top. Yeah. Well, Tether holding support for now, guys. We'll check back here in a few. See that RSI making that a little bit divergence there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not totally convinced this is going to go down right now. This type of structure is like a rounding top here. All right, so just because we got initial rejection here for the moment, I ultimately do think that this thing is going to go up. Like I said, this could take a few hours, man. Yeah. Our 15-minute just kind of crossed down here, but yep, it's now just back testing the bear flag here. It still hasn't broke the major trend line, okay? So we're going to just pay attention to it. We're going to zoom in, man. Oh boy, that held. Or did it? One second trend line broken. Boom, rejected. Back test. Uh-oh. Dude, daily Bitcoin chart is so wrecked, man. Like, there's no way Tether's pumping right now. Just doesn't make any sense. It's just gonna make another lower high here or some shit. You'll see. All right. Moment of truth. Already showing a reversal on the 1 minute. Right at the trend line. One minute Stokes topped out. We're gonna get a pushback up here. Maybe not. Let's see. Certainly trying to fight right now. What do you guys think? Well, there you go. We rejected the trend line again. Now we're outside the bear flag again. I feel like a big volume candle is going to come in now because Tether just went completely overbought. We don't want to see Tether hold this area here. So let's see what it does here. Coming down to it again. Hasn't really moved the needle yet, but it will. Here we go. We're testing it. This is big. If we break down, we should see some upside. That's the back test of the bear flag right there, okay? Remember, we have 15-minute and 30-minute squeezes on LPT, so it could take a couple hours to play out. Five-minute Stokes topped out. Usually when Tether goes bullish like this, it usually reverses. So we have room to come down now, right? Tether right at her came right to this resistance level. All right, well, it's holding this for right now. Anyways, it's really good practice to use the Tether chart for your entries, guys. All right, let's see if we get rejected here. It bounced off this area here for now. I don't like how the 1 minute just got a full reset. I mean, it's a 1 minute, I guess. It's I think it's a cloud, not cloud, but decentralized video streaming. All right, so yeah, I guess we're gonna tick down. This is trying to, the hourly is ticked up here and should probably exit this trade for now. Came back into the flag. Well, there's your answer, guys. We're going down for a bit. That sucks. This is actually big right here that it Tether held this. That means the market's probably going to continue its movement down. It's still at this major trend line though, but we already know what the hourly. Well, the hourly already ticked up. Let's see. We're diverging now. This is a 1 second chart, guys. Well, the smaller time scales broke the trend line here. Ouch. Yeah, Livepeer is a good one, man. It also broke out of a major structure. Fuck, man. Tether is fucking ripping. Oh! No! Please let this be a massive rejection. Did you guys see that? How do you even interpret that? That's it, right? That's the divergence on the 1 minute. Is Tether going to get wrecked now? It looks like it. Are we pumping? Come on, baby. Make this worth my while. That is a massive, or that is a nasty inverted hammer candle. I mean, this is a 1 minute chart, but this is Tether, so feel free to add to your positions. Check out Unfi Protocol. By the way, guys, I just DCA'd my position here a little bit. After this fucking candle, man, that's crazy. Let's go, dude. I think this thing's gonna rip, man. I just lowered my entry to 633. It's the weekend, bro. That's why I'm trading a shitcoin, because it doesn't really need, like, this coin doesn't need volume, a lot of volume to pump it. So you guys know what I said before, man. This volume's receded. Also, that coin had a major breakout too, so this should continue down, man, after that candle. We're gonna see a rip now, guys. You guys realize that, right? I don't like how this is fucking backtesting that. How, dude? After that kind of candle, how are you going to still push up, man? That's some bullshit. This thing's gonna dump off here, man. Come on. Tether. True. All right, well, my trade's in the green right now. I think we're about to fucking send it. You guys ready? Who's ready? Ready for this fucking reversal here? Come on down, Tether. Come on down. Well, LPT's back above the trend line here. Shorter time scales look bullish. Tether, I think, is going to come down after this massive wick rejection. What do you guys think? I could be wrong. Wouldn't be my first time being wrong. This is always a learning experience. Remember that, guys. Our hourly ADX is still bullish. Tether's coming back down. We're going to test this line again, this 805 again, all right? And actually, what it's going to test is this trend line that it broke out of fake breakout. Looks like fake breakout. Damn. This really does look like a head and shoulders type of structure here. And Tether just going to come down, I think. Because the daily is overbought, man. Just remember to always look at larger time scales, okay? Yeah, I don't know. This is also making lower highs too. Wow. I mean, rejecting again the bear flag area, okay? Let's see if we actually get a rejection though, like a hard rejection. Like we got a hard rejection here. Hourly got a reset though, man. And it's ticked up. That's why I said this trade could take a few hours. I think we're going to be good, man. We're just going to need to be a little bit more patient. I thought we were going to get it on the open of this, but we didn't get it on the open. And yeah, tether looks like maybe a head and shoulders on the 1 minute here. As long as we don't break this neckline, I think we can send it down. May not happen though. We'll see. Tether is bullish on weekly time scales and this was a double bottom though, so yeah, tether's looking like it wants to push. See what she does here. We're coming right to this area here. Back testing it again. Rejecting it so far. Yeah. See a rejection here, Tether. Those 5 minutes still topped out. Let's see it dump back into the structure here. That's what I want to see. Not liking that. That doesn't look good at all. Yeah, that's well, this could be a rising wedge. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. All right. We need a dump here. That would be great. Come on, baby. Let's dump right here. That's it. Come on. Nice, dude. Beautiful. Back tested as resistance. No. Fuck me. Back testing the flag again. Another rejection. Same local high on the 1 second. Just gonna extend this out. We should see the needle move a little bit here on this move down if we really break that line, which we haven't done yet. We need to now re-engulf this candle here and break it. Let's go. Come on, baby. All right, we're starting to trying to break that engulfing candle on the back test of the major neckline. Starting to see movement. That was a back test, guys. See if we can follow through to the downside here. Stokes are pointing down. 15-minute almost topped out on Tether. 30 minutes not. Yeah, the hourly is still short on this asset. We're still holding in the range, though. And if Tether dumps, there's no reason why Livepeer Token can't pump, so. We've so far respecting this bear flag on Tether, okay? And this is at a major support. Just got to see Tether break down, man. Doesn't look like it wants to do that right now. Testing the resistance right now on Tether. And broke through it. Oh boy. All right, well. And another higher low. Sigh. I guess Tether holding this level here is letting us know what's to come. Probably further downside. It's now trying to break this trend line. Tether is unfortunately bullish right now. But really, I would say the real area for Tether is here. Yeah, feel free to exit your guys' trades if you want for now on that coin. I'm about to get stopped out myself, so. Well, we're not dead yet. But I have a stop set in, so if I get stopped, I get stopped. She's still holding, man. So we just need to see Tether really come off, man. Who's still with me in the chat? Talking us through this trade. Stop loss is in place at 629 for me. Okay. My entry is 633. I'm on a bit of lev, so that's why I'm keeping it tight. I appreciate all your guys' support, man. This is not an easy job, man, and it's tough. This is tough. Well, let's see if we get this breakdown right here, man. See if we get that. Because we're pointing down right now on Tether on the 1 minute, okay? 5 minute also topped out a bit and also coming down. We could get an oscillation back up, which could get us into a profit to exit the trade. We did dollar cost average a little bit before when we got that 1 second scam wick, which could have been a clue that this is actually, Tether is actually going to come down. We're looking at Livepeer Token, man. All right, Livepeer Token. We're sitting at a fucking support. It's just resting here, man. We're talking about Tether, so we can accurately predict the movement of the price. Actually, our trade is technically in the green right now because our entry is, well, it was a second ago. I mean, Tether is so fucking extended, man. Like, when are we going to see this thing come down to Earth? We don't want to see this cross up. Something we don't want to see. Yeah, the hourly already crossed up. Fuck. Alright, well, we get stopped, we get stopped. It is what it is. No sense in overtrading this coin if we don't need to, so. Trend is your friend, guys. But maybe the RSI doesn't break here on Tether and we actually do get a movement down because the shorter time scales are actually topping out on the Stokes. And we're sitting on a major support level too. So I don't like to short supports. Fuck. I don't like how that opened green like that. It's like it's trying to flag out of here, man. I don't know. Oof. Not looking good for our long right now. We're most likely going to get stopped out of the trade based on what I'm seeing here. But maybe, just maybe, Tether cools down for a minute and we can pump a little bit to get out. What's up, Jesus? We're intently watching Tether to see the direction of the market if you're just tuning in. The 4 hours extended too, man. I mean, this was a rising wedge on the 4 hour. That was broken. I don't, it's tough for me to really think that Tether is going to continue up. It's just not. I don't know. Maybe it is. Thanks, Johnny boy. This thing is just resting on the trend line here. I mean, some could argue, I don't know. The long-term timescales on this chart are bullish right now. Shorter timescales look like shit because Tether's trying to rip, but Yeah, I mean, I guess you could call this a bear flag. I don't know, I guess. We'll see how this plays out. I said this trade could take a few hours, man, so we'll see if this plays out. Hopefully I don't get stopped out in the meantime. And if I do, I can always take a re-entry. And that's why breakout trading is tough, guys. I should have probably taken some profit here when I was up a couple $100. So lessons learned, all right? I don't need a big move to get back into profit either, so if Tether oscillates down, then I think we can get there. Larger time scales are pointing down on Tether too, so bottom of the range, guys. Bottom of the range on this asset. Trade is back in the green, or about to be back in the green. $633 entry. I'm down $15 right now. Remember, our larger time scales are still bullish. Like our I believe our 2 hour and 3 hour is still long, yeah. So remember that. We're now break even on the trade. Come on, baby. Give me a little rip here. I think we're going to get a nice oscillation back up, okay? Because remember, our hourly stochastics are still pointing up. Okay. Our RSI is neutral. Neutral, okay? Trade is now in the green. Barely. And Tether on the 15-minute oscillator is coming down. So that tells me we're going to get an oscillation up. Stay with me here, guys. And remember the volume signatures, okay? The volume signature here is really low. So we're closer to a support than we are the supply zone, right? We're a standard deviation away. So the probability is I think still to the upside. We could range for a bit, all right? We could range for a bit before we actually break out. And this is the range. We're looking at it. 631 to 648. That's the range. It's about a 2% range. Is SNX breaking out right now? Not really. A lot of volume came in here though. Probably at the bottom of a range. Five people on the stream, man. Wrecked. Come on down, Tether. Come on down. Break the trend line, please. All right, I'm gonna change the song because I'm getting bored of this same shit. Our trade's in the green right now. I'm in PDI. How is that thing doing? Is that thing wrecked? Last I checked, it was getting wrecked. I'm also in Link on the Pulse chain. All right, P-Dye's holding up. Nice. How's Link looking? I bought some of this shit coin. Shit, it's fucking ripping. Woo! We're up $100 again, guys. Let's see. All right. Trade is definitely in the green right now. We really need to break this area, man. I think we will. 15 minutes going to come down now on Tether. We should get a push. 15-minute looks good. I'll be right back for a second. We're going to take a quick commercial break here.
Hey there, I'm Mr. Know-It-All, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. You heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this full cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it, and it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis. It's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence in trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this full cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
Looks like only 3 people really care about this trade. Trade's green, by the way, guys. All good, bro. I know, but there's 3 people on the stream. But anyways, yeah, my trade is green right now. My entry is 6.333 repeating on Livepeer Token. RSI is holding the trend line on the 30-minute, on the 20-minute. I feel like if we're going to get volume, this is when we're going to get it. With tethers coming down. On its retest here, when it retests here, it's like technically it broke out, right? Still making lower highs. Right? From this high, we're still making lower highs. Technically, tether did not break out yet. It's it's near a resistance, man. It is very close to this trend line, though, and it's engulfing right now on the hourly, or it engulfed on the hourly. So it actually touched it, man. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we should be in shorts. I don't fucking know, man. Maybe it just gets wrecked right here, man. You know, I don't know. Because the RSI is also near a resistance on the hourly. Listen, I don't need a big move to profit off this trade. I mean, technically right now I'm in a profit. I should. No, I'm going to be patient because I see something on this chart that I liked. Right, we got a breakout and a back test. This is a consolidation. I mean, this could have just been a nasty rejection, I guess. We'll see. I think we're going to get a push up off this area because it held this area. This is where it broke out from. Broke out, now back tested this breakout. I'm slated that this is going to continue its move up, not move down. Because, like, I guess, you know, the daily chart's short, but yeah, I don't know. An attempt at a wedge break and failed. Man, I don't know. I guess you could consider that this is a failed break, but I think it's just gonna try to do it again, though. It's gonna try to do it again at some point here. Right, this 4-hour bullish divergence. I guess it sort of played out on that pump. But bulls are still in control of the asset on the ADX. This is that divergence. And the 12-hour Stokes are crossed up, man. So I think ultimately this makes another push up. Another oscillation to the upside. 8 hours crossed up. 7 hours crossed up. Yes, it's coming down right now. Yeah, I guess the shorter time scales are coming down. But the hourly is pointing up. So I'm trading the oscillation back up here on the hourly chart. So I guess you could call this a scalp trade. And maybe what we should do is just take profit at the top of the range when we get there. We should have done that before, but I was thinking that we were going to see a breakout because Tether looked like it was going to come down. But we're going green on the day. We're about to go green on the day on spot. Trade is now lit. Remember, our entry was 6.33 repeating, and we're on a lot of leverage on this trade. We're up $147 right now. I want to let this trade, breathe a little bit too, so we're looking at 644 to take profit, I guess, if we go and touch it. But like the more times you test it, the more likely it is to break it, right? And we're holding this support pretty good. Pretty good support. KER, yeah, we can check it. Stock? Is it this French stock, dude? Tether should be coming down. A 10-minute oscillator just crossed up. We're in a squeeze. Yeah, we are in a tight squeeze, guys. The 30-minute is in a major squeeze. All right, man. I got to stay put in this trade, man. Oh, it's the French one. All right, cool. We'll look at it. It's not a major trend line, dude, but I wouldn't say that this is a bullish structure by any means. So this looks like a descending triangle break, and we just back tested it, and now we're gonna fucking have liftoff. Yeah, we're fucking lit. This thing just send. Let's go. All right, we're at a resistance or a level. We're at a level, okay? We're pushing. We're pushing. So 646 is the area to break right now on the spot chart. Our trade's lit. We're up $230 right now. We're about to print a 5-minute long once this crosses. Yeah, dude. We'll take a look at that chart in a second. Yeah, man, you're at a range low, dude. This is probably not a bad area to buy anything. My chart is so laggy tonight, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, shit. Here we go. There's the 5-minute long printing. Tether is breaking down as we thought. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A little bit of patience will pay in this market, guys. Yeah, AVAX is right at a major level, dude, before this happened. So am I shorting the DXY? No, I'm longing. Well, I guess technically I'm short my dollars because I'm in longs right now. All right, so this is our third attempt at breaking the range. All right, the more times you test resistance, the more likely it is to break it. Remember that. It is a rectangle bottom. Yes, sir. We are in a big squeeze, guys. With our earlier warning telling us that we're going up on the 15-minute. This is a 15-minute squeeze, guys. I think we're going to get a pop. Last time we were in a squeeze like this, we got this type of pop. Come on, Tether. Let's dump this shit. Back below the major trend line here. If you guys are in this trade and ain't a profit and you're in the Discord, make sure you guys post it. Talk about how we're live on YouTube right now and how you guys are learning lots of things about what we do here as traders. Please, please, please spread the word. I'm trying to help you guys change your lives right now. Right now, we're in a live effing trade. We printed the 5-minute long. Let's see what transpires after that. We're about to go nuts, guys. You ready for this fucking breakout? I'm ready for it. Let's fucking go. Lots of accumulation happening right down here. This to me looks like an accumulation pattern, okay? Using this level as a major support. We're long off the major support. It's where you want to be long, man. You want to be long on support. So yeah, it's been a couple hours. I said it was going to take a couple hours for this to play out. Here we are. Come on, baby. Just fucking break it. Let's go already. There's a low volume area here at 646. So once we get above 646, we printed 646 on spot. So we got to get above that. Remember, the daily on Bitcoin is so wrecked, guys. Like, Bitcoin's going to push up, man. This volume is so receded, guys. I am expecting a major fucking move, guys. A major fucking move. Major fucking move. Big volume spike coming on this fucking thing. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get the major volume here. Let's get it. We've been patient. A couple hours of sitting at a fucking chart. Only 4 people watching this beautiful work of art here. I think so. I wouldn't be short down here, man. That 15-minute RSI is coming down, man. That 10-minute RSI is coming down. That 5-minute RSI is down there. We did print that long. Could also just get rejected again. We run the risk of another rejection, okay? Because our 15-minute hasn't gotten long yet. Our 15-minute goes long, man. That's probably the real move. This thing is... It's in a fucking squeeze, man. Now you got some tight bouncing around in here. The 30 minutes in a squeeze. I think within the next 30 to 45 minutes, this thing is breaking out. Mark my words. By the time I have to feed my son, I'm sure this thing breaks out. Anyways, guys, I'm probably going to jump off this stream. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord if you guys are part of it and let you guys know how this trade goes. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining tonight. We'll catch you guys in the next one.